What's happening, peoples? What's going on? All right, we got unemployment claims in 20 minutes. Unemployment claims. What's up, Benny? What's up, Benny? Yeah, I wonder what this... I mean, like I said, it's news that comes every week, innit? So I think we get a bit of volume, but not anticipating anything crazy. We've had this gold range this morning during London. So I haven't really traded gold today. I haven't really seen anything that I really like the look of. So I'm not gonna force it. I was looking at NAS today, but I mean, look at NAS. NAS is ranging 2. I thought it was actually gonna fly up, but because I mean, if you look, this was a little 5-minute support that I was looking at, and then yeah, we sort of stayed above Asian highs, retested, pushed up from this 5-minute support, got a continuation pattern. So this candle actually came down, made a really long bottom wick, flipped, broke the high, and then came back down. So I might just chill on NAS until I get a good trend. See, it doesn't really have a trend. It's ranging as well, like gold. But I mean, look at gold. Look at this 4-hour time frame. It's just sideways. It's just sideways. I was looking at GJ. GJ had a nice drop this morning, then it just retraced. It's just everything just seems to be sideways. We had Nvidia earnings last night, so I believe that's what caused quite a push in NAS towards the end of the day. I don't know if anyone was looking at NAS, but I mean, if you look at this, this was a push. This was quite a push on NAS. So that was quite interesting. Was that okay? So I made a note of that. So there's only, remember, with NAS, it's quite a few companies that actually lead the overall direction. And Nvidia is definitely one of those. Nvidia is definitely one of those. But I mean, in terms of supply and demand today, I was looking to take advantage of that strategy a bit more, but you need price to be trending. You need the pair to be trending. And as you can see, nothing is really trending. Everything is ranging, so yeah. Don't have any levels to be looking at just yet. Not just yet. I mean, look at NAS. NAS is, it was coming back down. Now it's pushing back up. Like, I did have a level here that I was looking at. This as a supply zone for a retest earlier. Because I thought, you know, we were going to start pulling back. But yeah, see, it didn't really come back and retest. I mean, came over here, but nothing. So maybe we'll get a push up if we... Hey Carl, how you doing? If we get a break above here, then we can start looking at maybe some demand zones below here. because this is a high now. We kind of have bullish structure coming up from this 5-minute support. So we'll keep an eye on that. In fact, let me throw in a little alert. My fave. What's this alert going to be called? Break of structure. Hey. Yeah, just break a structure really. Alright, cool. So now I don't have to watch that. Just wait for the alerts to go off. But in terms of gold, this is yeah, not a tradable range for me. Not a tradable range at all. Anyone taking any trades today? Anyone managed? I know I was gonna just say, Michael, what's happening? What's happening? You've had a very good start to the day. Very good start to the day. Killing it this morning. Well done, man. Well done. Well done. Those levels are really working for you. You're done. Yeah, I don't think you're done. You said that during the Asian session and you were still trading during London. I don't think you're done. What levels are you looking at right now? If you have some levels right now, you ain't done. If you're still looking at levels, you're not done. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't have my chart open. Oh, you done for real? Okay, okay. You're serious today. Exactly. Do you know what? That's very good discipline to know when to call it a day. Do you know what I mean? Don't give back any profits. Just close the charts. That's what I have to be like. If I'm done, I have to close the charts. I can't keep the charts open otherwise. Even though I probably won't actively trade, I'm still looking at moves. It's still a bit distracting. Now it's pushing back up. Ooh. What we doing? What we doing? Hey Karen, how you doing? Karen, you still looking at Nas? I was just saying Nas. I thought Nas would have been pushing up by now. Honestly, I was so tempted to get in when this broke the high right here. Very tempted. Very tempted because it's kind of like a, well, it is a closure above, but I just didn't like this rejection wick right here. I didn't like this rejection wick, but it does look like it still wants to continue pushing up. And again, we have a daily candle with no top wick, so I could imagine it pushing up today. Look, got a closure above, then we closed back below, so it was not very nice, but I can see now it's pushing up. So let's see if we get a break of this high right here, but it doesn't look like it's gonna push in the next 20 seconds. And I don't see any nice trends on gold to do the same. Nah. I mean, no, I don't like it. It does look bearish. It does look bearish, but no, it's not. It's not very clean. It's still within this overall range. Because then look, we've got this support here. Yo, Howard, what's going on? What are you telling me, H? You locked in today, yeah? I was in 3 cells and nearly got stopped out on that dumb push. Oh, what, right here? This push up. Was sweating but came back to profit. Hey, and gold is really swinging these days, boy. Gold is swinging. Swinging. Like, look at that. That's what, 220 pips. Just this one candle push up. Nuts. Oh. So we didn't get a closure above just yet. So let's see if gold closes above. I mean, Nas. This range is annoying, probably because of news. Yeah, we do have unemployment claims, 7 minutes. So 217k. They expected it to have gone down. He was in sales at 51.77. Oh. He snatched some of it back, yeah? Did you get out? Did you manage to get out? It does look like it wants to come down, to be honest. Where are Asian lows? Yeah, it looks like this support might be holding right here. Looks like this support might be holding. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, I don't like this range, so I'm just gonna chill, unless the only way I'd get in is if, yeah, I don't see anything I like, honestly. I was gonna say maybe a retest of this support again, but because price is making lower highs, I don't really like it. I'll need to see. I need to wait for the 4 hour. If the 4 hour can close bearish and push down, then maybe sells down to at least 51.27, like down to 4 hour support. I think I'd like that, because this 4 hour candle hasn't broken a high, but it's broken this low. So if we close bearish, I'm anticipating the next 4 hour candle to be bearish too. And then if we are lower than here, we'll have a bearish daily, and the 4 hour will be bearish as well. So 2 high time frames in my favor. I like that. I like that. I do. Yeah, look, we haven't broken. We pushed up quite a bit, didn't break yesterday's high, so I like the sells. I like the sells. We had a very weak bearish candle yesterday. But yeah, I took these buys up yesterday. I was waiting for these buys. And then eventually it did drop in the evening, but I got this retest of this 4-hour support. So I mean, the 4-hour candle kind of did exactly what I was looking for. Just after the stream, it opened, made that bottom wick, retested this 4-hour support, flipped bullish, and then pushed up. So I actually took buys from right here after this retest. This is where the 4-hour support was. So I got in when this candle flipped bullish up to, only took it up to about here. But yeah, nice little trade. Okay. What are you looking for here, Karen? You anticipating the buys from that area down there? What's your purple line? Oh, why is it doing that? Oh, this is the 4-hour time frame. Is that a 4-hour resistance, I guess, up here? Oh, Nas waiting for it to break that zone first. It's been falling for many days. Okay, got you, got you. Got you, got you. Okay, looks like it had a nice break and retest to continue up. Wait, news in 3 minutes. So now still hasn't closed above this high yet. And then if it does, we've got, see, this is a really big zone though. This zone is kind of big. Like 2 minutes, see how that closes. Boom, cool. Oh, no. Nas is gonna fly. Hey man, it might fly on this news for real. It might fly on this news. It might just do. I don't really look at NAS when there's unemployment claims, to be honest. I don't look at NAS for any news. I don't look at NAS for any news. Let's wait till after market opens, and news is most of the times before market opens. I just want gold to get out of this area right here. That's really what I want. That would be amazing. Out of this Asian range. You know, But yeah, on the strength of like Nvidia last night, I'm not even sure how Nvidia's earnings went, to be honest. I'm expecting a sell to 51.50 before upside. Okay, okay. Here we go. How this news come out? Yeah, you've been looking at 51.50 for since yesterday, right? I don't even look at something else, gold or nothing. Yeah, I like to diversify a bit, you know. I like to diversify. Like gold, I don't really trade gold in the evening, like too late into the evening. I have a cutoff point where I feel like I don't see any moves on gold. But with NAS, because it's a New York session pair and it's open during that session, I can catch moves on NAS. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I've caught some really good moves on NAS, like in the evening. So I don't mind it at all. So we got that closure above. So yeah, looking for a retest down here. Let's take that off now. And then just put another alert on right here. Retest. Cool. I've got caps lock on, retest, boom. And then just wait for that level. Just keep it simple. No limit order. Nah, I won't put a limit order on it. I need to see how fast it comes down. Sometimes the pullback to levels can be a bit crazy. Like if price pushes all the way up and then it tanks back to this level, I would wait for a closure above and then get in, take the conservative entry on the next candle. Do you know what I mean? Not just, I don't want to catch a falling knife, as they say. No. All right, how was that news? So it was good numbers, which is supposed to be bearish for gold. Tried the 5-minute supply and demand on gold earlier and got burned. Ooh, yeah. So I was saying, there's not a clear trend on gold. Like it works if there's a clear trend, and I don't think this was like clearly bearish, because look, it's come back, it's retesting highs. It's not, I wouldn't put any supply and demand on this price action right here, to be honest. So like so yeah, you'd have to see some really nice trending structure, which I don't think gold has had in a while. So I don't really use supply and demand that much on gold. I have a couple times, but I mean, look at this. Yeah, I prefer it on NAS, to be honest. I prefer it on NAS. And the stop losses are a bit nicer on NAS too. But I mean, look, when I look at anything trending, obviously start with the higher time frames. Look at this 4 hour. This 4 hour it's just ranging. It's just ranging. So you definitely don't want to be looking at any low time frame trends within this, because the higher time frames are already saying it's ranging. You know? pound yen doing today? Just chilling. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, look, 4 hour now, it's flipping bearish. This is great. This is very good. Re-break this low, drive down. I want this 4 hour candle to close with a nice strong bearish body, if that's the direction it's going to go. But yeah, this news, man, this is what I mean about this news. I just don't think it's really high impact, to be honest. Look at it. What's that? 100 pips. Didn't break out of the range. Didn't really get much volume. We're just playing around the daily flip. 4 hour support. No direction. Now PPI tomorrow. We should get some volume. Should definitely get some volume for PPI. We've got a bit of a wick down, push back up. Yeah, Nas is pretty clean to the left as well. If we can finally break, we can get a nice drive up. Like, it moves kind of chill until market open, and then market open you get this crazy candle like this. So I guess we gotta wait an hour for that, maybe. So gold doesn't want to flip bearish on this 4 hour or the daily. We're literally about 500 pips from yesterday's high and low. I think we break one of them today. If yesterday's candle was a bit stronger, because currently, I mean, the body closed shorter than the top wick, but I was anticipating that yesterday's candle was going to create a nice support for gold to then push up from. I was expecting some more buys, but it doesn't look like gold wants to push up just yet. Price already went to 51.50 in Asian. Support should hold, but gold seems to be doing its own thing. Doesn't it always? Doesn't gold always do its own thing? And then what happened? We'll just get a random push. Maybe it's waiting for market open. We've had news. It was uneventful. But I think market open, we should get some more volume. Alright, come on, go. Let's do something. Doom, doom, doom. I don't know what it is about gold, but London is always so slow. Recently, I don't understand why NAS is struggling to push. It's breaking highs. This is a beautiful push up. I guess the numbers were good for USD, which means it should be bearish for NAS. But we're not really getting a drive down. Yeah, this is weak news, man. Weak news. GJ is probably going to come down. Respect this downtrend structure. GJ looks like the nicest move right now, to be fair. So yeah, I don't really have any specific levels that I'm looking at right now, since we haven't retested 51.93. But I think if gold does push up, I would expect it to maybe just retest Asian highs. Maybe not even get all the way up there, since resistance is here, and it might not break this previous 4-hour high. Yeah, it's got to chill, man. It's got to chill. Wait for the push outside of this range. Closure below 51.51. If we can actually close below. Yeah. That would be my plan. Just need gold to wake up. I say that as I'm yawning, that's funny. Here we go. Give us that 4-hour candle body. Re-break the low. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is amazing. All right, now we just need to push out of this Asian range. Daily's bearish, 4 hours bearish. Go on, keep going. Gold is like, nah, I'ma stop here. Come on, gold, you can't stop here. Can't stop here. Oh, the 15 is just gonna tear, isn't it? Alright, Nas. Alright. Now we're breaking highs. We should take off now, I think. It's a clean range to the left as well. Finally broke this wick. One thing with Nas, when it pops, it pops. We can get some really strong candles. Came close, not close enough. Is what it is. I wish gold had some more volume though, like Nas, jeez. Don't take all of it. Even though price is bullish, it's in a bearish gold channel. Gold will normally pick liquidity from the low before the massive push. Overall, gold is very bullish. Overall, yes. But yeah, I need it to get out of this range or retest. I need it to retest like a higher time frame key level before I do anything. So yeah, come back to this 4-hour support. You don't really have any other key levels above, like they're not clean anyway. Look, this is just a gap, so that's not great. Just gotta wait, see if we can get out of this Asian range for starters. For starters, Boom, 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 boom. It's a nice little continuation pattern in here. Little pullback. Yo, what's happening? Exceptional me. I like that name. What's good? What's good? What's good? How's the market's been treating you today? If the lower time frames aren't showing me anything, I just have to wait on the higher time frames, you know? Wait for the 4 hour to give me some direction. NAS is falling. Now it's not a massive drop, but it's just dropping. Gold is playing hard to get at the moment. Facts, facts, facts. So I haven't taken any trades on gold today. I haven't taken any trades today. And I'm so okay with that. I'm okay with that. I have to be. I don't have a choice. I don't have a choice. But I'd rather wait until I see something I like than try to force something, you know? And nothing's lined up for me yet. Which is all good. Yesterday was a good day. Yesterday I took 4 trades yesterday. 3 in London and 1 after the stream, which was these buys up. These buys that I was looking at. Took buys there, sells here, buys here, and then buys down here. So yeah. Not bad day. Quite a few hundred pips. Can't complain. Yo, Sherlock in the house. What's good? What's good? How's Naz treating you? How's Naz treating you? Naz eating off Naz recently. Eating. I see you. Killing Naz. Yeah, Naz might really be your pair for real. Oh, what, yesterday? But as soon as I woke up, Cowboy player. Oh no. Was it good? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it good? Was it bad? Because Naz has not been nice this morning, not gonna lie. Like, it's really been swinging. So, I don't know, that could have gone either way. But it's just not been great price action. Oh, it was good, but I kept nodding off. Oh. Yo, right at the end of the day, I'm sure it was Nvidia earnings. It had to be Nvidia earnings. Why Naz popped like right before the end of the day. Naz went crazy. Gotta jump on a call. Alright. I'm here for another hour and a bit. Waiting for these new 4-hour candles. Alright, man. Peace. That's what you was telling Pippin. Oh, what about Nvidia? Nvidia causing Naz to move. Let me see what this. Okay, look. Gold on this 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna yeah, come down. I mean, look, we've broken that 4-hour low pretty easily. nowhere near the previous high. Definitely looks more good to drop. We just need to drop now. A very weak head and shoulders pattern. Look, left shoulder, right head, right shoulder. If you like patterns, oh, it's on both anyway. Ooh, Naz, what's goodie? Ooh, are we gonna get that retest? Or 4 minutes left. And keep my eye on Naz though. This is what I mean about not taking limit orders. Like, if I get a drive down, I'm not really sure about just taking a limit order because I feel like the move hasn't finished. Unless I get a retest and then we bounce off and the next candle pushes up, I like it more. But yeah, as it's still falling, the aggressive orders, I'm very cautious about the aggressive entries. Limit orders in general, yeah, I'm a bit not a fan of. Came close. Right, how long we got? 3 minutes until the new 4-hour candle, new hour candle. He was in a meeting, was like, hold up, I have to trade. No way. What, last night? Yesterday? That's funny. That's funny. Let them know, man. Priorities. The markets. Markets over work. Markets over meetings. Nvidia took forever to release because they always do it after market closes, right? It's like post market earnings. They know why they do that. They don't want the market to go crazy. Save it up for the next day. Oh, after hours. Yes. Yeah, that's Howie, man. Howie in the building. Well, just left. Works from home Thursday, Fridays. But, you know, still working. You know how it goes. Work from home doesn't mean you're not working. Yeah, he just left. Back on this trading thing. Love it. You know, sometimes you just need a break. And then you just come back. Trading is too painful. Oh, not painful. It's hard to do a 9 to 5 and trade in the UK. Been trading for 5 years, thinking of quitting these days or taking a break. Yeah, you know what? That's kind of what I did. Like, I went from full-time to part-time to just trading, full-time. So because it was getting in the way, work was getting in the way. So yeah, I just thought, you know what, I'll just focus on trading, and just took the plunge. it's not gonna lie though, it's you have to be disciplined. You have to really have some structure. You have to give yourself some structure, you know what I mean? You have to give yourself a routine. There's no one to tell you, you know, you have to be at work at this time, work for this many hours, all of that. You really have to build a trading routine that works for you. One thing that was very important for me was not to be at the charts for the whole day. You know, have a cut-off point, have a maximum hours of looking at the charts. Exercise, making sure you put exercise in. If you're just sitting at a PC all day or a laptop, it's not good for you. So yeah, man, you have to have some type of discipline. Even waking up at a certain time. All right, gold still closed in this range. Got market open in 30 minutes. What's Nas doing? Nas, like, look at these Nas is just swinging up and down. Like, this is just, come on, Nas, be nice, be nice. S&P's gonna hit 7,000. Oh, again. Let's see S&P. Oh, look at GJ's. Ugh. Ooh. I'm here for it. Wait, did it hit 7,000 before? It did, I think. Yeah. I remember when it got up here. Literally tapped it and then came back every time. So maybe we can get a drive through. We can carry on pushing. This support looks like it's holding on gold, man. This support looks like it's holding. Doesn't it? Or is it just me? Had one push up. Two. Let's see what happens here. The third tap. Third tap. Or if we just break finally, wouldn't be a bad thing. Go on gold. Let's see what DXY is doing actually. DXY is pushing up, but also pretty rangy. Come on gold, wake up, wake up. Rise and shine. How big is this Asian range? About 500 pips. So we didn't get much movement during Asian. How big is the daily candle actually? Okay, so I think we're coming down. I do think we're actually coming down. Yo, these memory stocks have been booming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This daily candle is 500 pips literally. Oh yeah, I think we get some good sales today. I wonder if Nas keeps coming very close to my demand zone. Since gold is just chilling, I mean, Might as well diversify. I traded GJ. Wait, where'd that go? I traded GJ, then changed to only trading gold 3 years ago, and only traded gold since then. My problem is the paycheck compared to what you can make in trading is depressing. Facts. Trading has unlimited potential, whereas a paycheck is just, you know exactly what you're getting, right? You know exactly what you're getting. But don't knock a paycheck if it's a steady income and you know exactly what you're getting. At least you know what you're getting every month. It's guaranteed income as long as you go to work. With trading, you could have a bad week, you're not making no money. Do you know what I mean? But I don't think, like, every week is not going to be an amazing week. You have some weeks that are like way better than others. For me, the beginning of the month was great. Last week was great. This week is meh. It's meh. Do you know what I'm saying? But I'm okay with that. Oh, got the retest. Got the retest. Now, if it can bounce off, maybe buys on the next candle, but it's right before market open. I don't really want to be in a trade right before market open. What time did I take the trade yesterday? It was... It was right before the crazy push up. Was it here? No. It was here, wasn't it? It was here, it was here. Okay, so it was at 1:30. Yeah, it was like we had more than enough time before that market opened to act crazy. Cat's finally making noise. All right, let's see how this candle closes. I mean, $18 pip stop loss. It's not bad, is it? Oh shit, I missed what you said. SanDisk was about 85 months ago, and now we'll hit 700 in March. No way. MU, it really depends on the person. Damn, is that how these memory stocks are moving? Okay. Where are you, UG? Oh, you're in the UK. I've still not seen the Lambo money. Most jobs are low pay. Listen, I think most traders, if you ask them, most traders, like the ones that are flashing the Lambos, their money is not coming from trading alone. It's coming from selling courses. It's coming from affiliates. It's coming from like other stuff, like multiple incomes, multiple streams of income. So, or from even, what do you call it? Prop firms. Prop firms. Cat, what's up? Yeah, see, look, see this drive down? This is why I didn't want to just take an aggressive entry. I like to see how price pushes off, reacts. So the second candle is normally the better candle for me. It can make the stop loss a bit bigger, but I mean, this is an 18 pip zone right here, which is nothing. Ash, what's happening, girl? What's goody? Just watching gold, chill right here, playing this range. Snooze fest, snooze fest. Oh my god, I'll be right back. Let me go let this cat out. How's the cat? Pissing me off. That's how he is. He's being annoying. He's back to his old self. That fox humbled the shit out of him. He was quiet for like 2 days. That's why everyone was like worried. It was like he was too quiet. Now, yeah, that he's back. All right, 2 secs. What's up? What's good? Outside. Gold is not trying to drop. Damn, Goldie. What is Nas doing? Yeah, I'm like that with Nas. It's like sometimes. Now, if it pushes out of this zone, also that's a good thing. Also, but it's been a nice little drop. Nice little drop. Oh man, what's everyone waiting for today? What's everyone waiting for? What are we looking for? I'm waiting for gold to wake up. Gold don't want to wake up. Yeah, I don't know about these Nas buys right now. Like I said, anyway, I'd wait. I wouldn't be taking a trade right before NYC open, because I don't know where that candle's gonna open and go. Nope. 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 I just want to get out of this range. But like I said, I think we have a nice strong candle body. It's looking like it will potentially be a bearish candle. So I'm thinking maybe then over the next, before this 4-hour candle closes, we get a nice strong push. Let's see. Oh look, this 4-hour hasn't even broken the low. Oof, that's interesting. Interessante. Yeah, this is a struggle. Struggle. Crazy price action right here. Crazy. But we got the pullback. Got the pullback. Now I was considering buys from here, but I would need a strong support. Maybe if this candle creates a nice strong support. But it is making these, I don't know, man. I might not even take any trades on gold today, honestly, if it's looking like this. If it's looking like this. Same. It's looking like 100 off, something like that. What's DXY doing? Waiting for buys will be better. Sells, you can get trapped. Oh yeah, you were saying liquidity, grabbing liquidity, right? Yeah, I would only be looking for sells with a closure below this support. You'd have to close below this support, and then I think maybe sells. Yeah. It looks like a daily continuation pattern, really. It looks like let's see.
De-escalate.
Don't start talking, Tucker. It looks like, which one? Short top wick, didn't break the low. Kind of like this one, because we didn't break the low of, you know, the first bearish candle. Maybe even this one, something like that. So that's what the daily's looking like for me on gold. So we respected the high, so maybe we'll, you know, break the low and pull back some more. But really, if gold comes down and doesn't break this low, I think it's pushing back up. Then I'm definitely leaning more towards the buyers. So yeah, the pullback could be just, you know, grabbing liquidity. But for now, it's really holding on this support. It's really holding on this support. $10 to see if I blow my account. That's crazy talk. That is crazy talk. Wait, what's Naz even doing? Yeah, this is nuts. Let me get rid of this because that's no longer valid. It's been fun. Yo, you don't want to be doing that. You don't want to be blowing your account after all that hard work to grow it. Let's see where Nas is going though. Let's see where Nas is going. Yeah, look, this structure is just not nice. I would have thought if it was pushing up, it would have pushed. It's had so much opportunities. I don't think the drive up is over. Because look, we have got bullish structure. Do you know what I'm saying? Just very tight bullish structure. So we could still push up. Don't have a top wick on this daily. But gold is pissing me off there, man. Come on, gold. Wake up. Wake up. Alright, we're creating this support. I'm gonna get a little rejection of this support again. I think the buyers might actually look good. They might actually look good. You see where Nas reverse is the resistance that has been struggling to break for some time on the 4 hour. I did see where you had this level marked out. Yes. Yeah. So it is pulling back from there. So you still think sells? More sells on Nas? Bit more of a pullback. It's not trying to go up no more, is it? Boo. It has been struggling. It has been struggling. We'll see what happens at market open. You know, Nas could come back up, retest it, and then reject the shit out of it again. I wouldn't be surprised. At this point, I don't know. Yeah, Nas is just wild right now. At least it's moving. Jeez, gold is just... I mean, can't knock it. It has moved 200 pips, I guess. But this news was very uneventful, as expected. Nas likes to pop block before open. Yeah, definitely swings. Look at this. This is why I wouldn't take any trades like right before the market open. Karen was just saying it's rejecting a 4 hour level, which is up around here. which is why it's pulling back, because it's been struggling to break, to push up. Oh, gold's pushing up. Okay. Okie dokie. Daily still bearish, just about. What a drop. What a drop. Yeah, I don't know if this is done dropping. Look, I was breaking these lows. Before it was kind of maintaining this bullish structure, but now it's just falling. These second charts tell a story. They tell shorts. They tell YouTube shorts. Oh, this thing might really tank on market open. If it's falling like this already. Ooh. All right, back into this 5-minute support that I had over here. Let's see if it holds above Asian highs, because we just kept falling to it and then pushing off. But I don't know if it hasn't really reacted to that news as well, which would have been bullish for USD. I thought gold would have woke up by now. Let's see what gold does at market open. Will NAS stay above 25,300, or will it slap right down? It's actually pushed above a daily resistance. Oh no, look, 4 hours breaking lows. Yeah, I think we might come down, you know. I think, no. Oh, and I said, no, I'm going down. I said, I'm going down. Woo-hoo-hoo. This thing is falling. How far is this thing gonna drop? I never trust it though, man. It just swings. It could drop now and then just swing up and go crazy. What's gold doing? Okay, gold's pushing. Oh no, Nas ain't swinging for shit. Alright, Nas. Damn, gold is the one we should have been watching. Woo! Alright, market open for golds. Where it's at. Oh shit. Alright, Goldie. Alright, Goldie. Damn, man, look. This 4-hour candle had to have a stronger body. Had to have a stronger body. Let's see how far it goes. Because for sells, I was targeting just 51.27, I would say. Yeah, that was a crazy drop. Crazy drop. Crazy. Yeah, Naz is oh, and then jerk back up. This see? This is why I can't fuck with Naz. I can't fuck with you. I gotta let Naz do his thing when it opens. Let it settle down a bit, you know? That was a nasty drop though. Nasty drop on gold. Let's see now. What are we trying to do, gold? Talk to me. Maybe we're just grabbing liquidity. We have no top wick on this candle too. No top wick. With Naz, I feel like if you get in the right way as soon as the candle opens, you're good. But if you try to jump in late, the pullbacks are so crazy. Like, do you know what I mean? You could get into some drawdown, but it most likely will continue in your direction. It's just, look, slap right back into this Asian range. Wowzers. What's that? All right, gold, are we gonna keep coming down? So I wanted a closure below 51.51, but I mean, the way we've just pushed right down here that quick, oh no. A lot of time left in this candle for it to retrace. A lot of time left. Nvidia's dragging it down. Nvidia. M30 quick continuation pattern played out. Super quick. And sometimes it can with no top wick as well, but it's got to come back for this top wick, I reckon, man. I thought Nvidia had good earnings. Why is it dragging Nas down? That's crazy. All right, so look, we tapped into Asian lows, or well, this support here. Let's see if it holds. We get a bounce back up, or we just keep driving down. I reckon it might keep driving. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Haters. Oh man. Oh, Naz is gone. Look, off the page. You ever see a candle and it just, you're looking at a chart and then the candle's gone off the page? Oh, gold retracement. Jeez. What a retracement on gold. There we go. What was that? Grabbing the orders right there. 200 pip pullback. Yeah, it's coming back for this top wick. Nasty. Nasty. Wow. What a pullback. I mean, I want to go to drop. I didn't want it to drop like this all in 5 minutes. Facts. It was literally just 5 minutes. Jeez. That would have been, let me see. Just want to measure that. Wow, so it came back for that top wick. Did Nas? Nas ain't coming back for that top wick. Nas ain't coming back. Nas is like, I'm out. Nas said, I'm out. Jeez. That volume is wicked. Listen. Gold, especially when gold don't show me a top wick, I'm not touching it. I'm gonna just let it be, yo. Let it be. No way, no way. Damn, that's pushed right through the 200s. It didn't even stay in the 200s. It just went straight from 3 to 1 to the ones. Damn. Wow. Wow. Yo, go be grabbing orders around that 65 level. Oh yeah. Right, slap right through that 65 though. Slap right through that 65. Damn. Would it come to 41, 51, 40? Careful selling gold. I had pending buys from my TP. I told you sellers will be trapped. Look for structure to sell, but I would not sell gold. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm chilling. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm not selling with this. I don't like this price action. If it's not, I said I want a closure below here and then maybe some sells, but not just this. I wouldn't get in on this. No way. Not for me. Not for me. Not for me. Yeah, nah. I mean, just based on the 4 hour, really, that's where I start my bias. Do you know what I mean? Start with the daily, the 4 hour. Wait, did the daily break the low? I mean, it was looking like a daily continuation pattern, but nah, look, didn't quite come down, did it? Sellers were just trapped with over 300 pips of profit. I want that trapped. Oh man, I know, right? That's a nice trap. 340 pip drop. Nuts. Nuts. It's a real nice trap. Trap me. Trap me in 300 pips. But yeah, nah, I'm a hold, man. I'm a hold. I'm a hold off. Hold off. I don't have no entry, so you know what I'm saying? Nothing I could do right here. Nothing I could do. Is what it is. What's Nas doing? Ooh, Nas coming back in this range. I wonder if Nas is gonna stay in this Asian range. Nas don't have no top wick too. I don't know, man. Nas just pulls back, but I reckon it might continue bearish. I don't know. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. This right here, Goldie. Oh, guys, give me 1 second. Sorry, I had a quick phone call. You said that was fun. Sometimes I feel like gold and NAS are correlated. Sometimes, I mean, they both trade against USD, right? So typically, if USD is not doing well, the other will be doing good, and vice versa. So sometimes played against myself, saw the down and was like, no, it can go up. As I look at Nvidia struggling pre. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yeah, NAS on market open. I don't touch it. I have to wait until, I don't want to be in a trade before. I want to be out, come back fresh. Because this candle is dangerous. It's a wicked candle, and I can imagine it slipping like sell stop losses as well. I can imagine it just driving through. So yeah, I can't mess with that. I can't mess with that. I cannot mess with that. I gotta let it do its thing. Even gold right now. What's gold trying to do? What are we doing here, gold? What are we doing? Gold's over here playing. Still looks like NAS is coming back down though. Yeah. You get the pullbacks and then you get the continuation, man. Yeah, NAS is gone. Oof. Gold is coming back up. Bro, what? DXY is coming down. There's your correlation right here. If DXY is coming down, NAS should be going up. But I feel like NAS kind of does its own thing sometimes compared to like the other indices. Oh damn, maybe not. Everything's dropping, market open. US 30. Nice little pullback too. Wow. That was the only performer. Oh yeah. Dow. All good, just a bit. Still in the game. Okay, good. That was a good grind for that account, man. You're trying to don't damage that. I'm just trying to figure out what gold's trying to do here, man. Like, what the hell? It's pissing me off. I ain't gonna lie. I can't lie. It's like, did it want to drive down? Are we coming back up? End of the month tomorrow. Oh yes, let's see what these monthly candles over here looking like. These monthly candle. I was saying PPI news is usually quite bullish. Like, I know we've hit all-time highs with PPI before, so I kind of think it might be bullish for gold, since we're, you know, kind of up here. We've had bullish structure this week. It's been pretty nice, so I'm maybe thinking we get a gold push. Now looking at the monthly, I don't think we're gonna fill last month's wick, but yeah, I'm kind of leaning more towards a bullish end of the month. But if anything, gold has taught me that a Friday and end of the month has usually been a sell-off. So I'm in two minds. But I do like the idea of some gold buyers to end the week. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on it anyway. Of course. Of course, we'll see, of course. Just pull this up a bit. Right now, gold don't look like it knows what it wants to do. Like, it doesn't know what it's doing. It doesn't know what it's doing. But I mean, the daily we've pushed down. We didn't break yesterday's low, and now we're pushing back up. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we do end the day bullish. We do flip back up, maybe respect this support that gold has created and go up. So I'm kind of leaning towards that a bit, just a little bit. Now that is a double top on the 5 minutes. Oof. I don't know, I don't see it, I'll be honest with you. I'm just gonna let gold chill for today. I think I'm just gonna let gold chill. Just let it be, you know, not try to force nothing. Let's see what Nas is doing. Damn. Nas ain't coming back for this top wick. Nas is not coming back for this top wick, I don't think. I think Nas is like, yep, I am gone. Yeah, I mean, the way it was struggling to push up all of this price action right here, like this push, it had so many opportunities to drive up. You had a clean range to the left. Now it could, Nas does like to sometimes retrace some of these moves. Sometimes, like, we can, but I don't know. I don't know. What was the charger? But yeah, this is a wicked candle right here. It's a wicked candle right here. 130 pips. I mean, yeah, I guess it's not as bad as gold. It's not as bad as gold. 350 pips. It's not as bad. It's not as bad. And gold kept on going. In 1 minute, 300 pips. I know, right? Like, yeah, gold is a different kind of beast. Gold is a different kind of beast, for real. Gold is a different kind of animal. just sometimes I miss the old gold momentum. Ugh, I miss it most of the time. Like the way this price action is just so wicked. It's just so fast and just, yeah, it's not nice. It's not nice. It's nice if you're on the right side of it, but the volume is just insane, man. The volume is insane. It is. It is. Woo, look at this candle. Yeah, Naz is going to keep falling, I think. Naz is going to just keep on going. Loco. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to take anything on gold today. If it's going to be one of those late moves, I just don't like this price action. I don't like the range it's in. I don't like any of it, so I wanted maybe a retest of 51.27 if it was going to keep dropping. That's where I would kind of be leaning more towards. Yeah, I don't see no potentials or nothing right now. Where's Naz there? GJ. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. I mean, even this next 4-hour candle, we're still just in this range. I don't like it, so yeah, I'm not gonna force nothing. I'm gonna go and eat. That's what I'm gonna go and do. Well, yeah, guys, but I appreciate you for joining. Appreciate you as always. Leave a like on your way out, and I will see you guys tomorrow for PPI. PPI is gonna be interesting. I think the really high impact news of the week, the only high impact news really, because unemployment claims today was pretty shit. But yeah, like I said, I don't think I'm gonna take any trades on gold today. Otherwise I would leave you with an idea at least, which I don't have. So yeah, I'll just be watching for a bit, and then yeah, nothing. Naz, I'm not gonna touch Naz. I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, guys, appreciate you, and I will see you tomorrow for PPI. Have a good rest of NY session. Peace out.